Let us try something simple. We will ask ChatGPT the exact same question 3 times and see what happens. Same model. Same question. No changes at all. The first answer is overly technical and hard to follow. The second is cleaner but still feels off. The third is clear, friendly, and exactly what you were hoping for. If ChatGPT is not broken, and it is not lying, and it is not learning from you in real time, then why does this keep happening? The answer is something most people never learn, and once you understand it, you will use ChatGPT completely differently. Let us get into it. Welcome to Notebook Learnings, where we open up the notebook and make AI make sense, one concept at a time. Here is the most important thing most people never realize. ChatGPT is not a search engine. When you type a question into Google, Google looks up a fixed answer that already exists somewhere and returns it. The answer is the same every time because the answer is being retrieved, not created. ChatGPT works in the opposite direction. It does not look anything up. It generates a brand new answer from scratch every single time you ask. It is less like asking Google and more like asking a very knowledgeable friend, a friend who might phrase things differently depending on the day. So yes, there is randomness built into ChatGPT. It is there on purpose, by design, and it is actually one of its greatest strengths. Before we go further, here is one idea worth pausing on. Most people treat ChatGPT like a question-answering machine. They type a question and wait for the answer. But that framing is wrong, and it is why so many people get inconsistent or disappointing results. ChatGPT is not answering your question. It is completing your instructions. There is a big difference. A question invites interpretation. An instruction sets a direction. When your prompt is vague, ChatGPT fills the gaps with whatever seems most likely, and that gap filling is where the variation comes from. The more precisely you write your instruction, the more consistent and useful the output becomes. This one shift in how you think about prompting changes everything. Inside every language model there is a setting called temperature. Think of it as a creativity dial. When temperature is set to 0, the model always picks the single most likely next word. The output is predictable and consistent every time, but it can feel robotic and repetitive. When temperature is turned up, the model starts picking from a wider range of possible words, including ones that are less common but still reasonable. The output becomes more varied, more natural, and more interesting, but also less predictable. OpenAI ships ChatGPT with temperature turned up to a moderate level because they want it to feel like a natural conversation, not a machine reading from a script. That one design decision accounts for most of the variation you see in its answers. Here is the part that surprises most people. ChatGPT does not think of the full answer and then write it out. It predicts one word at a time. Every single word is a fresh prediction based on everything that came before it. And at each step, it does not simply pick the most likely word, it rolls a weighted dice across many possible words. Common words come up more often, but less common words still get a chance. This process is called sampling, and it is why 2 runs of ChatGPT on the same prompt feel like 2 different conversations. The model is identical both times. The randomness comes entirely from this word-by-word sampling process. Temperature is the main reason, but there are 3 others worth knowing. The first is called toppy sampling. Instead of considering every possible word at each step, ChatGPT narrows the field to only the most probable words, say the top 90%, and picks from those. Adjusting this setting makes answers more focused or more open, and developers can control it through the API even if regular users cannot. The second reason is system prompts. Every time you open a new ChatGPT conversation, OpenAI injects hidden instructions behind the scenes, things like be concise, be careful, be friendly. These invisible instructions shape every reply and can vary between sessions without you seeing any of it. The third reason is silent model updates. OpenAI updates ChatGPT regularly, sometimes weekly. The model you spoke to in January is slightly different from the one in March. Same name, slightly different brain. This is why experienced users sometimes say ChatGPT feels different lately, because it is. Now that you understand why ChatGPT varies, here is the most powerful thing you can do about it. 5 words. Add these 5 words to the end of any complex prompt. Think step by step before answering. Watch what happens. Instead of jumping straight to a conclusion, ChatGPT slows down. It writes out its reasoning one step at a time. And here is why that matters. When the model writes each step, that step becomes part of its context for the next step. The reasoning appears in the output, and better context in means better prediction out. The model literally becomes more accurate as it writes. This technique is called chain of thought prompting. It was discovered almost by accident when researchers noticed that asking models to reason out loud produced significantly better answers on complex tasks. You do not need to understand the research. You just need to remember 5 words. Let me give you an analogy that makes all of this stick. Imagine you have a brilliant chef trained on a million recipes. You walk in and say, "Make me something with chicken." On Monday he is feeling precise, he makes a classic butter chicken, perfectly executed. On Tuesday he is feeling inspired, he makes a spicy mango chicken fusion you have never tasted before. Both are correct. Both are delicious. But they are different because the chef used judgment, creativity, and a small amount of randomness in deciding what to make. You gave the same instruction both times. The output varied because of how the chef interpreted and executed it. ChatGPT is that chef. Temperature is his mood. The more specific your order, say, "Make me butter chicken with a medium spice level using only these 5 ingredients," the less room there is for variation. That is the whole secret. Here is how to put everything we just covered to work. First, when you need a factual or consistent answer, add a precision instruction to your prompt, something like "Be concise and specific," or "Give me a single clear answer." This nudges ChatGPT toward lower temperature behavior in that conversation. Second, when you are doing creative work, stop asking for one answer and start asking for options. Say, "Give me 5 different ways to write this intro," and let the randomness work in your favor. Third, if you are a developer working with the API, set temperature to 0 for tasks like classification, data extraction, or structured output. Use a temperature between 0.7 and 1 for brainstorming, storytelling, or marketing copy. The model does not change. You just learn how to steer it. Let us land everything we covered. ChatGPT generates a fresh answer every single time. It does not look anything up. Temperature is the randomness dial that controls how varied those answers are, and OpenAI ships it turned up to make conversations feel natural. At every step, ChatGPT samples from a weighted range of possible words rather than always picking the most likely one, and that sampling is what produces variation. Beyond temperature, system prompts, copy settings, and silent model updates all contribute to differences you see across sessions. And the most important shift you can make as a user is to stop asking questions and start writing instructions, because AI is not answering you, it is completing whatever you give it. Add things step by step to any complex prompt and watch the output quality jump immediately. The model did not change. You just got better at working with it. Now, even with all of this, ChatGPT sometimes forgets what you told it earlier in a long conversation. To understand why, we need to talk about tokens and context windows. That is exactly what the next video covers. Subscribe so you do not miss it.